Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the name of your Windows 7 computer. So this should be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial to follow. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in System. You want to select System from the Start menu items that will come back after you type that in. And now on the left side here, you want to left click on where it says Advanced System Settings right here. You want to go up and left click on the Computer Name tab. And now where it says to rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup, click Change. Left click on this Change button right here. At this point, you can change the name right here. So just delete whatever's listed in here. Insert a computer name, then just click on OK. And you will need to restart your computer to make the change effective. And then once you've done that, you should be good to go and your computer name has been changed. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.